Hello friends, I am Muhammad Rafiq. Welcome to my YouTube channel Rafiq Engineering Drawing. In the previous videos we have seen isometric projections where we have seen type 1 model. Okay, in the type 1 what we have discussed, we need to draw isometric views, that is 3D diagrams of the given objects, but the objects were given in the form of text, that is in the form of question. The data was given, a cone is resting over a block, like that. So draw the isometric view. But here in type 2 what will happen, you will be given question with the diagram. So this is the front view, this is the top view. Okay, what is this? This is front view of one object, this is top view of the same object. By seeing this front view and top view, that is by seeing this 2D diagrams, we need to draw 3D diagram. That is why it is written here as 2D to 3D. So we will start our problem. So whenever you are dealing with this kind of problems, what you need to do, first you need to see the top view. Overall length and width how much? 40 and 50, and overall height you can see in the front view, that is 20. So by imagination you have to draw first a rough diagram in the exam also, like this. So 50 40 we will take like this, this is 50, this is 40. Okay, and height you assume something 10. Why? Because in the front view they have given 10. Just rough diagram I am drawing, later we will have fair diagram. So here and here we have something. What? Look at front view, here we have two blocks. So at this corner it comes like this, and here height again we can see here 20 minus 10 means this is 10 and this is 10, like that. Then we have the another one here, but this is not a solid block. By seeing here, this is hidden edge. Hidden edge means there is a hole over here from the top. So this is a block having height like this, in this manner, this and this. By seeing front view we can see, and this is a hole because hidden lines are mentioned here. This is how we need to identify. So hole we will draw here. By measurement it is 10 by 10. All measurements have been given. So like this the hole comes. So the rough diagram somewhat looks like this. This is 3D image, this is 2D, front view, top view. Okay, now we will have fair diagram for this diagram. First of all, what you do, you take a reference line anywhere of any length, like this I have taken, and take one point as a reference. Now with the help of one compass, what we will do, we will try to mark 30 degrees each. 30 30, because in the isometric views we will be doing with at 30 degrees. So this side I am taking 40 mm long line, 10 20 30 40, and this side I am taking 50 mm long line, that is this side. I am starting the problem with this corner. Okay, this corner is here at the origin. It's here. So what are the angles? This angle is 30 degree, this angle is also 30 degree. Okay, dimensions we will do after some times. First let us try to complete the problem. Now parallel to this line, here another line you have to draw. We shall have like this. With the help of mini drafter we will be getting exact diagrams. Here parallelism may be here and there, but okay. 1 2 3 4 5 50 mm here. Then parallel to this line, another line here we will draw. This is also 40 mm length. So this line and this line are of 40 millimeter and parallel to each other. These two are 50 mm long line, and parallel to each other. Here you can see this is been taken over here. Okay, assume this is a point A, so A is here. No need to write, just for reference I am keeping. Assume this is B, this is C, and this is point D. So here you have A, B, here C I will write at little away, and here is the D point. Okay, so this diagram we have taken in this manner. Now we will give the height. Height of this lower block is how much? Here you can see it is 10 millimeter. So all the corners of this block you have to raise it to 10 mm height, vertically upward. Okay, so let us do it quickly. So far we are doing all lines are thin only, because at the end of the problem whatever lines are visible to us, only those lines we will take it dark. So as of now we don't know what to be dark, what to be light. So we will draw simply all thin lines. Thin lines look little more thinner, but to make you visible I am making it in a little darker manner. So this is a block we have constructed at the lower side, that is this lower portion we have constructed. Now on over this block we have this block and this block. Okay, this block dimensions are 10 in this way and 10 in this way. So 10 by 10, this width you can see here and this width you can see here, 10 by 10. And height of this block how much? Again it is 10, because this base is 10, total height here it is given 20. So 20 minus 10 means 10. So basically this is like a cube. Okay, so let us see here. From this corner we will start 10 mm here, and from this corner again 10 millimeter this side. Then one corner, two corner, three corner we got, another corner will come somewhere here. We will see that from here 10 mm. How to draw this I will tell you. First let me mark it. Parallel to this line, just move 10 millimeter like this, you will find this one. Okay, this may not be on this line, it may be here and there, but as per this problem it is there itself. So join this in this manner. That's all. Now height how much? Here you can see the height 10. So all the corners you need to raise to a height of 10 millimeter. Then join all upper corners. Like this block we have constructed, it might look like a hexagon, but these lines will not be visible when we will make it the final view. Okay, so let us quickly draw this also. Height, this and this are same, but this I have drawn with the basic steps. Here I am going little advanced step, direct 10 mm height, and here also 10 10 10 like that, cube 10, and height is also 10. Then parallel to this line, if you move from this point as 10 millimeter, and here also parallel to this line or this line, anything 10 millimeter in this direction we are going. So join this two, whereas this line will be parallel to this, and join here, and 10 mm down. After that automatically this two will get joined. So like this cube I have constructed. Then we have a hole over here at the center. So first you need to locate where is the center of this? You may draw a hole here, here, little here and there. So first let us find out where it is exactly. So in the diagram they have not mentioned much data, so by seeing this diagram we can say that it is at center. Okay, so center, how you will find? First of all, find the dimensions of this width how much? Here they have given 10, and this width how much? Here it is given 10, so it is 10 by 10. Depth throughout, how much thickness is there? That much. Okay, so let us see here. First we need to locate the center. So this is 50, midpoint of 50 will be somewhere here. From here it is 25, from here it is 25. So midpoint, from midpoint place you may go 5 mm here, 5 mm here, like that you will be getting a width of 10. Similarly here total 40, take the midpoint of 40 side, so it will be 20 here and 20 this side. Then what you can do, 5 mm from this point here and 5 mm from here. So if you do like that, you will be getting width of this hole. Let us see in this. So total width how much? 50, as you can see here. So 25 will be the midpoint, 5 mm here, 5 mm here. So this is here to here 10 mm. Okay, then same way I will do here also. Total 50, center will be here, 5 mm here, 5 mm here. So draw with thin lines. Then this side, if you see, total 40 width, center is 20, 5 mm here, 5 mm here. Here also join like that, same procedure. So like this we have got the dimensions of the hole 10 by 10 here. Like this we have located at the center. Now how to draw the hole? First draw this upper lines. Like this. Now 3D effect we need to give, that is we need to go in depth. Total thickness how much of this block? 10. So hole depth will be obviously 10 millimeter maximum. So from this point you go 10 millimeter down. So if you go like that, 10 millimeter will be somewhere touching to this here. Okay, then from this point onwards you draw parallel to this from this point here, and from this point parallel to this, from this point you draw like this. So like this we have got the problem. Now which line is dark, which line is thin, I'll highlight with this sketch pen so that it will be easy for you to understand. Let us mark quickly. After this point this will get continuous and we will stop here for this, then we will continue this one. Like this. One more thing here, if you want you can join or you can leave it. In the front view they have not given anything, that's why I am not doing here. You can keep it thin line also, or else here also you can have the option available so that you can either leave it here to here like how I have left, or you can join it. So as per the question I have left here. So this is the front view which you can see from here. So this is the surface which is visible in the front view. Hole also we need to make it dark. After that our problem will be completed. So this is the way how to convert 2D diagrams to 3D. Okay, if you have understood, please like my channel, subscribe, share with your friends. Okay, if you have any doubts, please keep it in the comment box. Thanks for watching.